happy Friday. I see a lot in my comments about how people don't have time for wet shaving, that it's too expensive, they'll just stick with their $5 razor, which is fine. What I have experienced in my 38 years of shaving is that wet shaving reduces skin irritation and ingrown hairs, has less waste, and over time costs less money. This is the Parker 78R double-edged safety razor with hair guides. It's about $26, $27. This is 100 double-edged razor blades that you replace. This costs about $12 and will give you 300 to 500 shaves. Going to pre-treat with a shave oil to add to the lubricating and friction reducing barrier so that it's easier to shave. I have soaked my shave brush for about 30 to 60 seconds so that brush absorbs the water. This is called loading the brush. I'm now going to get the soap into the brush. Lavender. Shave soaps and shave creams are great when you use with a lather brush because it creates a friction reducing barrier. The shave brush massages the skin, exfoliates, and preps the hair so that you get a better shave with less irritation. My average shave time is about 4 to 6 minutes. This process really doesn't take that much longer and it has so many benefits. For the closest shave, shave with the stubble growth, across, and then against. If your skin is too sensitive to handle that, shave however you're most comfortable. I get asked a lot about how to approach shaving the Adam's apple. I do not recommend going like this as you have that little bump. I always try to go at an angle. You can put a little tension right here to tighten the skin, tilt your head back. There you go. In my comments sometimes, I recommend that people put tension on the skin. So you make it tight or flatter so the razor goes over it and it's not going over bumps. The way I do it is tilt my head and sometimes I'll pull down here. You can pull up here. As you can see, my chin is not flat. I don't imagine many chins are. I have one of those little butt chins, so I have to be careful in this area. So sometimes I'll change my mouth shape in order to change the tension on my skin to reduce nicks. Now, if you do get a nick, it's fine. It happens to everyone. You can use an alum block, shave oil, and shave balm after help to soothe and heal. sure whether you got to shave multiple directions, take your finger and kind of run it the different directions, and if you feel stubble, shave that direction. Once you're done shaving, you could use an alum block, which is an antiseptic block, which will help heal and soothe your skin. You can use a shave oil, which will help and soothe your skin. Get the alum block wet, rub it on the skin, give it 5 minutes, and then wash it off. God, that smells good. If you're new to shaving, what you have to understand is every razor has an exposed blade. When you shave, light pressure, lift up after each time and put back on. After you do it for a while, it becomes second nature. Get a hot shower first. You can pre-treat with a shave oil like I did here today. Use the light pressure, good fresh razor. When you're done, you can use post-shave care like an alum block, shave oils, and shave bombs. Hopefully that helps. That's a close shave.
Who are you?